Welcome to a new era of global economic revolution, where Web 3.0 technology is reshaping the way we transact, collaborate, and invest. At the heart of this revolution lies blockchain, a decentralized ledger that brings trust, transparency, and security to our digital transactions. Blockchain enables us to go beyond traditional centralized systems, empowering individuals and businesses to transact directly with one another, without intermediaries. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a key driver of this revolution. With DeFi, financial transactions are carried out through smart contracts, eliminating the need for intermediaries such as banks or brokers. This not only reduces costs but also improves accessibility, allowing anyone with an internet connection to participate in the global economy. Imagine a world where individuals in developing countries can access financial services previously out of reach. With Web 3.0, this becomes a reality. By leveraging blockchain and DeFi, individuals can access loans, invest in assets, and even earn passive income, creating new opportunities for economic growth and financial inclusion. The impact of Web 3.0 on the global economy is immense. It enables the creation of decentralized applications, or DApps, that can disrupt various industries from finance and supply chain to healthcare and entertainment. With Web 3.0, innovation knows no bounds. However, this revolution isn't without challenges. As Web 3.0 technology evolves, we must address issues of scalability, privacy, and regulatory frameworks to ensure a secure and sustainable ecosystem. Collaboration between governments, businesses, and the community is crucial to unlock the full potential of Web 3.0. The future of the global economy lies in the hands of Web 3.0. With blockchain and decentralized finance paving the way, we are entering a world of endless possibilities. Embrace this revolution, join the movement, and witness the transformative power of Web 3.0 on the global economy. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on the future of technology and its impact on our lives. Together, let's shape a brighter future powered by Web 3.0.